Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Assistant application in our Samsung Galaxy A55. So what are we turning off? It's this function right here. So when we swipe inward from either corner of our screen, this app will turn on. How to turn it off? Okay, I'll show you step by step. So settings, then we are looking for display options, and here we have our navigation bar options. Assistant app is here, so we can simply turn it off from here, and now we can swipe all the way wherever we want, and this application won't turn on. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.